and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you our localization system that can be leveraged to use your own nomenclature in Dime.Scheduler. We always say that you bring your business over to Dime.Scheduler, not the other way around. The feature that I'm going to show you today is just an example of that. For starters, global administrators can choose which languages to activate. Go to the settings menu item in the sidebar and select localization. On this page, you'll see all the languages that we support. And with that, I mean the languages that we've translated or machine translated that will display the captions in the application. Tick the items which you want to activate and make available to your users. Users can update their language in the preferences window at the top right corner of the screen. Changes will be applied immediately upon saving their preferences. Global and user administrators can also set the language and the time zone on the user's behalf in the administration setup. Now back to the topic of this video. In the localization page, we'll have a list of hundreds of fields at our disposal to customize and provide our own captions. Let's, for example, provide a caption for the default job description field. Select that row. That will activate the captions list. And now we can add a new entry, choose the language. Let's go for English now. And we can provide a custom caption. Let's say we can provide an issue or a problem rather than a generic description field. Save it, and now we can see this new caption in action in the planning view in Dime.Scheduler. Let's check out this new column caption in the open tasks list in the planning view. I'm going to maximize this component so you can see all the columns we have in this particular layout, and I don't have this new issue column available yet. Simply click on this caret, expand the columns list, and if we look for issue, we'll have it available right here. Click the checkbox to add it to the list, and then we can see our new column has been added with the data that corresponds to this description field. The last thing that I wanted to show you is that you can also rename components. This is transactional data, so it cannot be managed through configuration, but you can update it by clicking on this button right here next to your component and give it a descriptive name. So maybe we'll call this component the list of service orders with a good filter on, for example, the source type. So we want to see all our service orders in this list. What we can do next is add a second instance of the same component type. So let's go to the profile, drag a new open task list to the view, rename it, like for example, something called jobs, where we want to see all our jobs that start with the prefix J star. And now we have two lists of the same type. One is showing all our projects and one component is showing our service orders. So there you go. By using a very simple concept, that is localization, we added another layer of flexibility that you can use to bring over your business to Dime.Scheduler. That's all I have for you today. I hope to see you in the next video.